Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Stocks in the US and Europe gyrated while the dollar gained after French politicians planned a no-confidence motion against Prime Minister Michel Barnier, a move likely to cause the French government to collapse this week. British house prices rose at their fastest annual pace in 2 years in November, adding to signs of resilience in the property market despite high borrowing costs. Prices rose by 3.7% in November compared with the same month last year. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq gained, with the benchmark index briefly hitting an all-time high boosted by technology stocks, while investor focus remained on a slew of economic data this week. The week's centrepiece would be the November non-farm payrolls report due on Friday. The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The Bitcoin dollar pair fell 1.9% in the last session, after a 2.8% intra-session dip. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The gold dropped 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The oil dropped 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. With a full schedule ahead, the economic calendar features critical reports and updates, ranging from major announcements to moderate impact data. These releases may guide financial markets, so staying informed is key. These updates are not just routine, they're potential catalysts for market change. Be ready to evaluate their impact and adjust your investment plans accordingly.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.